What's up, you beautiful streamers? I have some exciting news for you today, and that is that animated emote slots should be available for all affiliates now. If you've been unlucky like me and waiting all this time, checking and waiting and checking and waiting to see your animated slots become available, I can gladly tell you they finally available. I only got mine today while all of my friends got them so soon. I was like, bruh, why? What about me? And as you can see on screen right here, it is beautiful and it is so amazing. Guys, you need to make some animated emotes ASAP. It is an amazing opportunity for us, the streamer, to add value to people who subscribe to our channel and to add humor and make ourselves different and our channels different. So how do you upload your animated emote slots? Here's how you do it. If you go onto your Twitch page, all you gotta do is click on your profile icon right over here and go on over to creator dashboard, and you're gonna see it's gonna load up this here. Then you want to go to viewer rewards, and then you want to go to your emotes over here, and here you'll see just below your tier 1 animated emote slots, and you'll probably just see 1, but it'll say 1 out of 5, and the more you upload, the more slots will begin to show. I've done 5 already. If you would actually like a tutorial on how to make them, let me know just down in the comments below. But a very quick and efficient way to get an animated emote slot up and running right now is quickly go to a background cutter, cut out an image of your face, and what you're going to do is here, click on your open slot, right? And what you're going to do is click on easy animate, and what you're going to do is you're going to upload a PNG to that slot just of your face cut out. So I'm going to select a PNG that I have right here, and what is amazing is you get to choose the animation, so it's going to automatically animate it for you. So one of my favorites is if I select the shake here, and then it's going to be like it's truly spectacular, and then you just give it a name. Sheesh. I say sheesh a lot in my stream, so make it unique to you, and then you can just simply click upload, and bamboozle, slamgoozle, you have animated emote slots available for you guys right now. And guys, if you're looking to grow your Twitch channel, I just released a video which speaks about how I grew from 0 average viewers to over 10 in just 1 month by the strategy that I use that really helps. So I'm going to see you guys in that video, and make sure to go and follow my Twitch page. I'd love to see you when I'm live Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, 8:30 South African Standard Time. It's never the same without you guys. Come join the Swol crew. Let's go.